So one of the next things we did is put the plastic flange in the back on both sides so that it fits snug. And then comes a difficult part, because what you got to do is pull your tension snaps and snap them. And you do that next. That's kind of tough because you need a lot of tension on the top. I should have let this one sit out in the sun a little bit more. We just don't have any sun right now today. But we did put both tension straps on and snap them. Now we can get inside and do these snaps right here. That's what we'll do next. You can see the amount of tension that we got on this so far. So we'll put these snaps on next.